welcome back to my channel. So it feels like forever since I like sat down and did a video for you guys. I think the last video that I actually like sat down and filmed was my last get ready with me on Thanksgiving, and it's almost Christmas, so I'm so sorry. But if you guys have been following me, and you know that I've been moving, and then I was traveling for a bit, and my life has just been super crazy, especially with like my business and the holidays and things like that. So yeah, I'm back right now, and everything should be back to normal pretty soon. But yeah, today I get to show you guys my latest design with Hairvivi, and I also decided to add in this video how I get my wig caps to lay so flat with the Wig Cap Method. I don't do this all the time, but when I do, this is how I do it. So it was highly requested from you guys from a previous video that I did. I'll link it down below. And yeah, I finally get to show you guys how I do it. So first thing first, got a pimple on my face, y'all, and I'm going somewhere tonight. So this is drying lotion. I need it to be as flat as possible, so just ignore this throughout the video because I'm not taking it off until it's time to do my makeup. And if you follow me on Snapchat, you know that I was baking chicken and I burned my hand, or not my hand, my forearm on a Pyrex dish. And yeah, it's pretty nasty, so it's covered up, and if you see this, it's like, it's not a tattoo, it's a burn. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, first thing first, you want to get a wig cap that is as close to your skin tone as possible. I talked about this in my 4 things that all wig wearers should know video. I'll leave that video down below if any of you guys haven't checked that out before. But I'm going to show you guys my absolute favorite wig cap. So I gotta change my battery, my camera's about to die. So this is my absolute favorite wig cap. It usually comes in 3 shades. So there's this shade, which is my favorite. It's as close to my skin tone as any wig cap that I can find. Then they also have the darker one and then the lightest one right here. Most companies usually send one of these 2. This one is really hard to find for me because they don't have a distinction on them. Like, I've been reading it, trying to figure out like what I could type in to only get this color, but they all say 0097NA, and the back all says N43EF. So I don't know, either I'm blind, y'all, or I just don't know like where's the difference, like the names or anything like that. But this is my absolute favorite. Hairvivi actually just started sending this color to me, so that's perfect. But if you can't find this brand, then they do have them on Amazon. Not this brand, obviously. It comes in a pack. Let me see if I can find it, hold on. Okay, yeah, so this is the one that I get from Amazon. It comes with 3 different colors in the pack. So it comes with this one, which is close to this one, the one that I really like. And then it comes with a lighter one and a black one, and it comes with 3 of each, and I got it for like $6. It's no name on here, it's just a barcode, but I have the link inside of my orders, so I can link that down below if anybody wants that. Dropped it. So yeah, now let's go ahead. I just have my hair braided back and these 2 little pigtails. This is what I normally do pretty much every time because I don't wear my wigs for that long. But this is just easier, and this is like the flattest that I can get my hair because it's like slick, no bumps, lumps, nothing like that. Just slick back 2 braids. Of course, if you have thicker hair than me, you guys know my hair is pretty fine. Then of course you would probably have to get it braided back or something like that, or you could do like a low slick bun if you can get it back like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I think I'm talking really fast. I'm just gonna go ahead and pin these back like this and bobby pin them, and then I'll put the wig cap on. So now that I have my pigtails pinned back, the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure all of your hair is slicked out of the way. All your baby hair, all your sideburns, everything is slicked back. So I'm going to use my Lovely Beast Edge Control, 1 because it's going to slick it back, and 2 because it's going to condition my edges. And I'm not really a fan of hard hold gels like Eco Styler and stuff. I don't consider that like really hard hold because it's just like you can break that crunch, but like this stuff and like Pro Style and stuff like that, Pro Style used to break my edges out really bad in high school. So yeah, I don't really like putting gel on my edges like that. And so this is going to slick it back, and then it's going to condition it because I am, for this, going to put gel on my edges. So this is just like my little protective barrier. So go ahead and slick that back. Okay, so once we have it nice and slicked back, then we can go in with a little bit of the gel and just like trace your hairline with it. By the ear tabs, you want to go back just a bit, like right above your ear. And then you can go in with the wig cap. Okay, so once you have it like this, before you like press everything all the way in, we want to create some little holes over our ear, just so we can get that to pop through. Next we go in with the freeze spray. You don't need a lot, just a bit. And I just like doing the freeze spray because it just, for some reason it just makes everything dry faster. I say you don't need a lot and then I spray a lot, but especially over here. And then just to be extra safe, because this is the part that always comes up, we want to put just a little bit of gel on the outside, just to make sure it's down. Okay, once it's dry, we can go ahead and cut it off. Look at my eyebrows. Okay, y'all, so my ear look real red, like it's in pain, but it's red because of holding the blow dryer right there. It's not red because of the little hole. So once you take it off, you can go ahead and trim away any that may be too far down. Like that. And then to get the little stuff that like rolls up like this, you just take a little bit, you can put it on your finger and kind of press it down. And then if you want, you don't have to, you can take a little bit of your foundation, either powder or liquid, and conceal this down or foundation this down so it matches your skin a little better. And voila, now we're nice and bald. So the wig that I'm going to be using today is one of my babies. This is the one that I created a while ago with Hairvivi. Her name is Autumn, and she is like a really pretty, like burgundy kind of auburn slash copper hair color. I'll insert the video of me actually creating this wig down below if anybody wants to check this out. But she is here and she is on the website, you guys, and look at the packaging. Like, this is their original packaging, I guess, and they went back to it. When I started working with them, they had the flower packaging, which was still cute. Sorry, it had the flower packaging, which is still cute, but this sleek black, like, and then when you lift it up, oh, sorry, I made the bow all loose, but it's like, that's so pretty to me. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this is the wig that I'm going to be using. Go ahead and take her out of the box so I can show you guys her, and then I'm going to put her on so I can stop looking like this. Okay, so this is my baby Autumn, and this is what she looks like. Super pretty. They did an amazing job recreating her. Like, they did so good. And we all know that Hairvivi units are pre-plucked. They usually come with the option to bleach or not to bleach. This one does not come pre-bleached because of the color, and they were scared that it would like mess the knots up, which I totally understand. Bleaching is not necessary, we know that. So yeah, this is her. She's 18 inches, 115 density, 5.5 inches of parting space in the front. She comes with the elastic band, of course. I get the cap size in a medium. And yeah, let's go ahead and take her off so I can show you guys the inside. So this is what the inside of the unit looks like. Look at all of that parting space, you guys, like all that parting space. And then she has the elastic band in her, and she is also an adjustable elastic band, which means that you can fit her to your head shape. Basically like a bra strap. It comes with 3 different levels, and you just hook to your desired tightness, I guess. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, and then I'll be back to put her on. Oh my gosh, it fits so good with that elastic band. So we know that Hairvivi wigs are glueless, so you don't necessarily have to tack them down if you don't want to. But because I did the wig cap, I'm gonna go ahead and just tack it down because I did all of that work, you know. You guys know that the wig cap method is totally optional. You do not have to do all that extra work. This is just what I do when I plan on wearing my wigs for a long amount of time, like an extended period. I usually take my wigs off every night unless I tack them down. So yeah, totally optional. I know somebody gonna be in the comments like, that's too much work for a wig. Wig's supposed to be easy. I don't know who told y'all wigs are supposed to be easy. Honestly, like, I don't know. They're easy once you do everything to them. Like, you only have to do everything once except for the wig cap part if you're constantly like just re-wearing them. But again, the wig cap is totally optional. You do not have to do it to get your wig to look bomb at all. Like, but yeah, I just had to throw that out there. So this is what she looks like. Really pretty, nice hairline. And I might as well just cut the lace off. I don't like cutting the lace off while it's on my head, y'all. I do that for y'all, but that shit hard. Like, I need to cut it off while it's on my wig head. So I'm gonna cut it off while it's on my wig head, and I'll be back. For a detailed video on how I apply my units, go ahead and check the description box down below. Okay, so I did my makeup and took the scarf off, and this is what the unit looks like. It's lifting up a bit in my right hand corner, which is the left hand corner of the screen. I guess I didn't put enough, not glue, gel right there, so it lifted up a bit, but I fixed it before I left, don't worry. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check the description box down below for anything you may need. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.